Well, good morning again, tubers. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video on Christmas Eve 2021, and want to talk about Doge. Look at how fast this one's moving, up 40% today at 0.001, I guess 1/10 of a penny. 40%. We're going to take a look at the market cap, the graph here. Oh my goodness. Market cap of $58 million, $48,000. And just a beautiful uptrend there over the course of 24 hours. But it's been a rocky road. If you look at the 1 week view, and on the 1 month view, you can see that this particular currency has had a bunch of hills and valleys. Let's look at it over the 3 month. So this one's been as high as, let's see there, it's 0.003, so 3/10 of a penny. Let's look at it over the course of a year. So it's the same. So that tells us that that it's not as old as we think it is. It's only been out since October of 2021. But judging from this, they're doing pretty good. I know that sounds strange if you look at this downward trend. However, when you consider that it's only been since October and they've raised $58 million, for their market cap. People spent $58 million on this. There are some people behind it, and we're going to dig in and see why. If we go down here and we look at what they're talking about, they have a very good overall description right here on CoinMarketCap, and they basically tell you that this project is being headed up by Grammy-nominated creative director Paul Caslin and a team of the world's best developers and blockchain enthusiasts. Okay, and they want to bring crypto gaming to the mainstream. Okay, so they talk about Doge Dash is designed to bring crypto gaming to the mainstream, inspired by 90s side-scrolling classics Mario and Sonic, and that the aim of the game is simple: dash as fast as you can through all the 10 levels while collecting coins along the way. Successful players who complete all levels will be rewarded with the collected coins direct to their wallets. Look at that. Very cool. Rewarded direct to their wallets. Well, let's go over here and take a look and see what it looks like. So if we go over here to dogedash.com, okay, it's doing a little bit of loading. Let's see how this turns out. Wow, this is cute. If you ever wanted to see a cute game, this is it. Okay, let me see. Can we get this to fit on the screen? I just want you to see the little dog jumping there. He's jumping. They have a place here where you can basically buy coins. They got a store, they got NFTs, they got about, and they've got play to earn. Let's look at this buy coins link. Let's see what they've got there. So they take us over to PancakeSwap. We could have guessed that was going to happen. Let's go back and look at their store. Let's look at that. Okay, they've got some, let's see what we've got here. They've got some little sweatshirts that you can buy. They're trying to pimp their namesake. Okay, what else do they got going here? What else they got going? They got their NFTs. Oh, this is going to be a lot of fun. So people are cashing in on the NFTs, folks. It's just, this is going to be a very successful project, if you ask me. They've got all of the cuteness that you could ever ask for. Here's their about screen talking about the people that are behind the project. Let's zoom in on that a little bit here. So there's Paul, the founder, Sanders, CEO. So that's, I guess this is the Grammy award-winning guy here that's leading and heading it up. Okay, so we've got a couple of artists who have gotten hip to the idea. Let's look at their white paper. So here's the Doge Dash white paper. Let me see what they got here. got a table of contents about. So they're really just talking about their game here. And to be honest with you folks, this is probably where the most money is. With NFTs, with games, these cute caricatures, people are willing to invest in them. And we're not talking about small amounts of money. We're talking anywhere from 90 to, you know, 10, 14, $15,000. There's, you know, if you look at the ape collection out there, we've got those going for just ridiculous amounts of money. So this NFT collection thing, coupled with the gaming thing, coupled with the crypto, it's going to become just the way things are done, I think, in the future. We can see many of these things happening. You got the little play to earn button down here. We're going to click this and just see what it does for us real quick. They want you to accept the terms and conditions, connect a wallet, and I guess this is where you would actually start playing this Sonic-like game, dodging this and that. And I guess if you get through the level, you actually get awarded actual Doge Dash coins. Can it be any cooler than that? I got to give a big thumbs up to this project. The creativity of it, very good use of the blockchain. There's no telling where this one might go. I'm looking forward to seeing what else they do with the blockchain. If they make other games with it. If you've enjoyed this video, please throw up the likes and shares. Tell me what you think about Doge Dash in the comment section. And I'll catch you on the next one.